We've got yet another custom pit rolling out of the shop here at TMG Pits in Knoxville, Tennessee. This one going to my man Isaac in the Carolinas, about to load up on a trailer, ship it out to him, but I wanted y'all to check it out first. So this is our Copperhead 60 model, all loaded up just right. On the tire package, we've got our off-road setup with upgraded wheels and tires, 6-gallon Cajun fryer on the front, double cup holder, stainless steel front shelf. Check out the smoke chamber here. Like I said, this is our Copperhead 60, so that's 60 inches long, 24 inches deep. All of our Copperheads get bottom and top sliding trays. One advantage to that octagon shape is you get a lot of height between your grates, as well as your top grates a little deeper. So you do have quite a bit of cook room. This does have a fold down stack on it as well. Come around to the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America, all right? And the way this works is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. We've got a removable plate with daisy wheels in there. Gives you ultimate adjustability on that. Great for doing ribs, chicken, put your sides in there, keep them warm. Open up the firebox. Now this is our insulated firebox. We've got our fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. Come around back, we do have a rear folding shelf. Fold it down when you're not needing to use it. Boom, ready to rock and roll. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.